What's up guys, today we have here Royal Kludge gaming keyboard, specifically their RK68 PLUS. So it's in tri-mode, in brown switch. I got the white one with RGB and a hot swap board. So this is only 2,295 pesos. Let's check it out. This board has 68 keys, hence its name RK68 PLUS. Here on the right side, it has 4 LED light indicators. And in the front of its frame, we have its branding. At the bottom, you will find 2 kick-up feet with rubber soles, which I love as you could easily adjust the height of your board for ergonomics. Here we have the switches for the Bluetooth or gigahertz connection and the off and on switch. And of course, you have the dongle for its 2.4 GHz connectivity. As for its keycaps, it has ABS ones, so expect for this to shine through time. One nice feature of this is that its frame is removable. So if you want that floating keycaps design, then you could easily do that with this board. However, I do not recommend this as this will make your board prone to dust and dirt. I got to say that my favorite thing about this board is its 2.4 GHz connection. All you have to do is set the switch to G, place the dongle in your USB port, turn on the board, and you're good to go. I really did not experience any lag and disconnection problems with this one. I highly recommend this keyboard for beginners in the mech key world. First reason being that it is hot swappable, therefore you could easily mod it. Second, its size is somewhere at the middle. You could easily adjust to it if you come from a 60% keyboard or a full-sized one. It means there's not much learning curve here. Third reason is that its 2.4 GHz connectivity is very seamless. Just don't expect the Bluetooth to be as smooth as it sometimes disconnects, but having it wired definitely won't be a problem. The only con I experience in this board is its RGB. Apart from it not being vibrant, if you use it on, you'll only get 2 days out of its battery, but without it, you'll get 5 to 6 days. So that's it with this RK68 PLUS. Remember, I'm always here to help you with your purchase decisions, but in the end, it's always gonna be your choice, your call. See you in the next video.